guys, we have a portrait game. This called mosquito fight. And you can fight with a mosquito. Okay, start our pag 20. If you want to start bigger, you need to like and subscribe. 3, 2, 1. Okay, here comes. Just wait. Oh.
Check out my skin. Want to get one too? I'll share a secret hack for you. Go to the skin shop and grab the red fire dragon. Easy to control and grows super fast. Once you hit level 100, bam! You unlock the glow map. On the glow map, you move faster and crush your enemies like a ball. Try this trick now and take over the arena. Download Snake Clash today.
I don't need. Thank you. Okay, be careful, guys, or it will attack. Yeah. I'm the strongest in the world. Nobody can beat me. I'm the king of the world. This. It's so fun. Yeah. What? Revive. Okay, the next. Bye, guys. Oh, wait. Next part 2.